For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you a crossover. This pattern starts with a crossbody lead. So we've already done the crossbody lead, so we're stepping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, we take a quarter turn to the side. I step with my left foot. Melina steps with her right foot. We replace weight. We face each other. And now we do another quarter turn. I step with my right foot. Melina with her left hand side. Step. And now here, we're just going to finish with the ladies underarm turn. I step back with my right foot. Melina turns. So we do this again, starting with the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now with the Mambo timing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.